Welcome to Shruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we are going to see Problems on Trains Part 4. We are going to focus on train crossing a man, pole or tree. These are point objects. The time taken by a train of length L meter to pass a standing man, tree or pole is basically the time taken by the train to cover itself. Time is nothing but distance divided by speed. Let's try an example. A train takes 6 seconds time to pass a signal post and it covers a distance of 10 kilometers in 5 minutes time. In this problem, we have to find the length of the train. The distance covered by the train is 10 kilometers. And the time it takes for the train to cover the distance is 5 minutes. The distance is in kilometers. To convert minutes into hours, we divide the minutes by 60. So it's 5 by 60 hour. The speed of the train is nothing but the distance the train covered divided by the time it takes for the train to cover the distance. So the distance is 10 kilometer divided by the time, which is 5 by 60 hour. When the denominator is in fraction, to bring the denominator to the numerator, we inverse it. So when we inverse 5 by 60, we get 60 by 5. And we multiply 60 by 5 with the numerator. So 10 into 60 by 5. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 into 60 is the speed, which is 120 km per hour. So the speed of the train now is 120 km per hour. The speed is in km per hour, while the time it takes for the train to pass the signal post is in seconds. So we have to convert it into km per hour to meter per second. When we convert from km per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 by 18. The speed of the train is 120 into 5 by 18. So when we simplify this, we get 100 by 3 meter per second. The time taken for the train to cross a signal post is 6 seconds. And the length of the train is nothing but the speed of the train into the speed, the time it takes for the train to cross a signal post. The speed of the train is 100 divided by 3 into the time, so which is 6. So 100 divided by 3 into 6 is 200 meters. So the length of the train is 200 meters. Let's see another example. Train A is 640 meters long and it is running at a speed of 75 km per hour. How much time will it take to cross a man sitting in another train, which is running at 69 km per hour in the opposite direction? First, list the given data. The length of train A is 640 meters. To find the total speed, we have to add both the train speed. So 75 plus 69. We add both the train speed because they are running in opposite directions. So 75 plus 69 is 144 km per hour. The length of the train is in meters while the total speed is in km per hour. So we have to convert km per hour to meter per second. To convert km per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 by 18. So the speed of the train, which is 144 into 5 by 18. When we simplify this, we get 40 meters per second. So the time taken to cross a man is distance divided by speed. So the distance is the length of the train, which is basically 640 meters. So 640 meters divided by the speed, which is 40 meters per second. So 640 meters divided by 40 meters per second, which is 16 seconds. So the train takes 16 seconds to cross a man sitting in another train, which is going in an opposite direction. Let's see one more example. Find the time taken by a train which is 150 meters long and running at a speed of 54 km per hour to cross a pool. First, list the given data. The length of the train is 150 meters long and the speed of the train is 54 km per hour. Since the speed of the train is in km per hour while the length of the train is in meters, we have to convert km per hour to meter per second. So we do 54 into 5 by 18 meter per second. When we simplify this, we get 15 meter per second. So the time taken by the train to cross the pool is distance divided by speed. The distance is nothing but the length of the train, which is 150 meters, divided by the speed of the train, which is 15 meters per second. So we write 15. So 150 divided by 15 is 10. So the time taken by the train to cross a pool is 10 seconds. Thanks for watching.